Mechanics of Music. Today we're learning Opalite by Taylor Swift on the ukulele. We were learning this today in my group ukulele class, and these ladies are the coolest, funnest ladies. They call themselves the Senior Swifties, and they made me a couple bracelets today. So I wanted to make a video that they can play along to, although you can also play along with the track since it's in the same key. But here's a little lesson on how to play Opalite on the ukulele. First thing we need to know is you guys can go to the link in the description below, download the chart. It's got the chords, it's got the lyrics, it's got the strumming pattern, everything is on there. You can put it on your tablet, you can print it off, and it's super helpful. And then at the end of this video, we'll do a sing along and a play along, and you guys can follow along with the chart. So the chords, we need the G chord. The song is in the key of G. G chord, beautiful G chord. Then we need E minor. Trick number one, you can just use your pinky. Leave your whole G chord the way it is and add your pinky. You can also take your index finger off. It doesn't matter since it's behind the pinky. But this is a nice little transition from G to E minor. You can use this in every single song where you ever go from G to E minor. Or you could play E minor. I call this a staircase chord. The next chord you need is A minor. We love A minor. And then we have D chord. I'm going to leave my middle finger there, and I'm going to tuck my second, third, and fourth fingers all into that second fret. This I find easier for D because my pinky's so skinny and my other fingers are so small that they can squeeze in instead of using 1, 2, 3. That's a little bit more of a squishing situation. So this is good. Plus, I get to leave my middle finger there from A minor. And then the other chord that we need is a C major 7. I'm going to use my middle finger. You could use your index finger, ring finger. It doesn't matter what finger you use. It's the second fret, C major 7. Just let yourself float away with this chord. And this is the chord, the only chord you need for the verses and the pre-chorus. You don't have to change chords. But this leads me into the strumming pattern. We're going to do 2 strumming patterns squeezed together. 2 strumming patterns back to back. So you don't have to change chords in the verses and the pre-chorus, but you do have to try this cool strumming pattern. You also could just do strumming pattern 6, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That is the holy grail of strumming patterns. You can do that for pretty much every song ever. But if you want to spice things up a little bit, I want you guys to try strumming pattern number 10 and strumming pattern number 14. By the way, if you want to download our free strumming pattern and chord change resource, it is so good to practice your chord changes and your strumming patterns. It's free on our website. Follow the link. We'll put it in the description and in the little card there. So strumming pattern 10 is going to be down, 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 up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up. That's the first half. And then we're going to go to strumming pattern 14, which is up, down, up, down, up. So if we put those two together, we have down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Let's go again. G, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, E minor, A minor. So we have all the chords, we have the strumming pattern. Now let's play the song, Opalite by Taylor Swift. Download the chart in the description if you guys want to play along. And here we go, starting on C major 7. The only thing you might want to do is warm up your voice because she hits a few high notes and she really goes for it. So let's go. Ukuleles, are you with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job, you guys. Thanks for strumming along and playing along. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with all of your other Swiftie friends. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Keep strumming, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next video.